today's going to be a fun day. Welcome to Great Day, Colorado. I'm Denise Plant.
It's already getting wacky in here, and I'm Jeff Schroeder, and Excel Roofing is your one-stop shop for all your roofing needs, from repairs to full-on replacements and everything in between.
And October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so they're teaming up with my old friend and former radio partner in crime, Murphy Houston, for More Than Pink campaign. In the sponsored segment, we're joined by President and owner Jay Bretz. Here's Murphy on the show.
Good morning, Jeff.
Yes.
Thanks for being here.
Absolutely.
First off, it might get a little crazy because you're my co-host for the TV show, but for radio, this dude put up with me for over, what, 12 years?
12 years.
Wow.
Later, Jeff, I'll tell you some really stories.
Some crazy stories.
Aren't allowed.
Let's get to it.
We want to hear, his stories will be better than mine.
I don't know. You two have been friends for a long time, too, and you're doing something really cool. Tell us why XL Roofing is involved with the More Than Pink campaign.
We're involved with the Susan G. Komen More Than Pink campaign because, unfortunately, breast cancer seems to touch almost every one of our lives. My wife is a survivor, and also my good friend Murph. He's a survivor. So when we were looking for a charity to partner up with, the Susan G. Komen campaign seemed like just such a natural fit for us. And so we're a silver level sponsor. And that's why we have Murph with us, too.
Yes.
Well, it was my pleasure because I've known Jay for a long time. He put my roof on. I took it off. He put it on. No. No, but so I have had breast cancer. Not a lot of guys get breast cancer,
right.
Unfortunately. That's a good thing. My wife's a two-time survivor
Carol,
of
yeah.
breast cancer. So when Jay called, I said, I'm in.
I remember that moment when you came in and you shared with me that you had breast cancer. I mean, we would wake up and be to work together by 4 in the morning. So we really became close. And it was shocking. I didn't know men could get breast cancer.
Unfortunately, a lot of men don't know they can get breast cancer, but you can. And the thing is, early detection. Those are two big words for breast cancer, any cancer. But breast cancer, early detection. And guys, if you feel a lump or something's not right, think, oh, it'll go away. Well, I hope it does, but maybe it won't.
How did you find out, Murph, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, I was wrestling with my grandson, Grayson, and he headbutted me right in the chest here and went, well, that's interesting. That didn't feel real good. So after what my wife had been through, I called my doctor immediately the next day, and I went to his office. He thought, oh, it's probably a cyst. You'll be okay. But let's go to the surgeon and have him check it real quick. The next day, he said the same thing. But he said, I'm going to take a couple of biopsies. He did. 4 days later, I get a call, you do have breast cancer.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then your mind just goes,
It changed everything.
well, you know, you were involved with that with me.
It changed everything. But thank God you're a survivor. You made it. And your beautiful wife, Carol, too, who's amazing.
Yeah.
And I want to get to how you're tying in the connection between attic insulation and the More Than Pink campaign. How is this working?
Well, part of the roof system, and that's what I call it, it's not just the shingles on top of the roof. It's also the attic insulation and the attic ventilation that contribute to the entire system. So we do this pink Owens Corning attic insulation. We normally will add it during the roofing process if we have a customer that wants this. And the pink insulation seems like just such a natural fit for the More Than Pink campaign for Susan G. Komen. So I thought to myself, you know, how can we tie these together and really make a difference? So what we have done is we've partnered up with Owens Corning, the manufacturer of the insulation, and Excel Roofing and Owens Corning are donating $500 to Susan G. Komen for every job that we do during the More Than Pink campaign. And right now, why it's such a great deal is because the tax credits for energy-saving products like insulation, they're going away December 31st. So right now, if you add attic insulation, you can take up to 1/3 of the cost of the insulation off. Well, you don't take it off. You can get this as a tax credit. And I'm not the tax guy, so when you have that tax guy on here, ask him the difference between a tax credit and a deduction. Deductions reduce your adjusted gross income. But a tax credit is dollar for dollar money you owe the IRS, and you can take this off. There's no better deal, and you can do up to $1,200.
That's
nice.
This
is just an awesome time to do this.
How can other people join the Excel More Than Pink team just like Murph did?
They could either call our office and ask 303-761-6400, or go to our website, excelroofing.com. And we have information about the More Than Pink Walk, which is going to be on October 18th at 9 a.m. at City Park. Or if somebody just wants to donate, every dollar helps, even $5.
Right.
You
Yes.
scan the code, donate some money, so it's a great cause. And the More Than Pink walk, it's a non-competitive walk. It's not like you have to go down and do a 10K.
No.
It's a walk, and it supports all of the survivors. And we're going to have a tent down there. We're going to have our friend Murphy down there. It's just going to be a great time, and I know you're going to be there,
Yes,
Denise.
and thank you
Yeah.
for doing this. I just want to say thank you for helping others find a cure. And Murph, thanks for sharing your story.
Well, I'll be down there with you.
Yeah,
And
October 18th.
sharing the story again. And I'm going to be dressed in insulation pink. So for all
Wrap you
those that come
up.
down, I'll be nice and warm and I'll hug you. that way.
Oh, nice. I love that. Okay.
And congratulations to the two right here into the Broadcasting Hall of Fame.
Yeah,
How about that?
thanks for
That's
that, Jeff.
something.
Yeah, appreciate that, babe.
Yeah, October 24th, we're
absolutely.
being inducted into the Colorado Broadcasting Hall of Fame, and
The
I
new
love
one.
that we're doing
Yeah.
it together.
Yeah, that'll be a party.
Yeah. All right. So right now, XL is donating $500 off to the Susan G. Komen Foundation for every attic insulation job that they do during the Pink campaign. Join the XL team for more than the Pink Walk on Saturday, October 18th at 9 a.m. at City Park. The walk is totally free, but yes, donations are welcome. Please give them a call. It's 303-419-6400. That's 303-419-6400, or check out their website at xlroofing.com. And thank you again to XL Roofing for sponsoring this segment
Good
and
man.
coming in and
He's a
doing
good
what
man.
you're doing.
Well,
Yeah.
thank you guys for having us in. Talk
Absolutely.
about it.
You need to come back.
Good